Everyone, today we are going to start chapter number 15, properties of triangles. So this is the first module, and in this module we are going to study all the basic topics like what is triangle and what are the different properties of this. So please pay attention and let's start our class. So the first one is triangle. First we should know what is triangle. Triangle is a polygon. Polygon means a simple closed figure which is made up of line segments. So triangle is a polygon which is made up of 3 line segments. 3 sides are there, 3 angles are there, and 3 vertices. Vertices means corners. So let's have a look to the shape of the triangle. This is the figure which is called a triangle because it is having 3 sides. You can see AB. This side is AB, second one is BC, and the third one is AC. So these are the 3 sides and 3 angles. Angle A, angle B, and angle C are the 3 angles, and 3 vertices are point A, point B, and point C. Okay, these are the 3 vertices. So in this way, whenever any triangle is given, we know the 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. Now one topic is their perimeter. Perimeter, we all know, children, that sum of all sides. When we want to find what is the perimeter, what is the boundary of a triangle, so if I want to know the perimeter, it means sum of all side of this triangle. So we have to add the dimensions which is given to us. So sum of all the 3 sides of a triangle is called its perimeter. Now different types of triangle. Triangles are based on their sides and based on the angles. It means on the basis of sides. When we look at the sides, we have to see the different names of the triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Now equilateral triangle is a triangle which is having all the sides equal. Isosceles, in which only 2 sides are equal, and scalene, in which all sides are of different length. Let's have a look to the figure. This is an equilateral triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal. In isosceles, you can see these 2 sides are equal because with the same symbol it is showing. And in scalene triangle, all the 3 signs you can see different, so all the 3 sides are different. Now based on angles, acute triangle, right triangle, and the third one is obtuse triangle. So let's read in detail. Acute, it means less than 90 degrees. So a triangle in which all the angles measurement is less than 90 degree. ऐसा triangle जिसकी all 3 angles की values 90 degree से less है. Right triangle, a triangle in which one angle measurement is 90 degree. That's why it is only right angle triangle. An obtuse triangle, a triangle one of whose angle measure than more than 90 degree. At least one angle should be more than 90. See the type of the figure and how it look. Look at this figure. It is acute because all the 3 angle 55, 65, 60. So these are acute. In the same way, this is right triangle because one of the angle is 90 degree, and the third one is obtuse because you can see this side angle. This one is obtuse triangle. So it is an obtuse triangle. Now the different results. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. When you add all the angles of the triangle, values when you add, suppose this triangle, if I add 55, 65 and 60, so its sum will always be 180 degree. It will never less than or more than 180 degree, because if it happen, the triangle cannot be possible. Triangle cannot be drawn. And if you see an equilateral triangle, all the angles measurement will be 60 degrees. Suppose you are making an equilateral triangle, so each side is equal, so definitely each angle will be equal to 60 degree and it will be 180 degree. So all the 3 angle will be 60 degree. Each one is 60. Now the angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are also equal. If I am having an isosceles triangle, its 2 sides are equal, so opposite angle, suppose इस side के सामने वाला जो angle है, its opposite angle is this one, and for this side is this one. So these two angles will also be equal. So these are the certain properties which you have to remember. With this, your all basic portion is finished of the exercise 15A. Now there are the some questions from question number 1 to 6 which you need to solve in your book along with all these notes. Okay, these notes also you have to write, and these questions as well. So let me quickly tell you how to solve this question. Children, if we see the question number 1, in which angle A is given, angle B is given, you need to find angle C. The same way second and third question also same, in which the two angles are given, and third one you have to find. So always remember, whenever the two angles given and you want to find the third one, use the angle sum property of triangle, that is the 180 degree sum of all three angles. So add these two angles and subtract it from the 180 degree. You can see the solution here. Like for the question number second, angle D plus angle E plus angle F equals to 180 degree, and we need to write the reason also, angle sum property of triangle. Now when I put E and F value, add them and subtract it, when it will be shift to other side, we will get the value of angle D. This is the way to solve the question. In this, so you can solve question number 1, 2, 3 because it is based on the same concept. Now the question number 4, when the ratios of all the three angles are given, so how to calculate this? Whenever ratios are given, there are the three different methods, like 4 plus 3 plus 2 you can do. So if we add on these ratios and how to solve this, let's have a look. Whenever all the three ratios are given in the sum, you have to do the sum of the ratio, it will be 9. Now we know sum of all angles is 180 degrees, so this is the way, like I want to calculate the first angle. So for the first angle the part is 4 and it is out of 9 because the sum is 9. 4 by 9 into 180 degree and calculate it. You will get the first angle, in the same way second, and in the same way third one. Let's have a look to the question number 6. The acute angle of right triangle are in the ratio, find each of these angles. So right triangle means one angle is definitely 90 degree and the other two angle are in the ratio 2:1. So ratio can be considered in the form of x. So 2x and 1x. Now we know the sum of all these three angle will be 180 degree. So can we write 2x plus 1x plus 90 equals to 180 degree, and then it will be 3x. This 90 will be subtract. So 90, and 90 by 3 if you will do, it will be 30 degree. So can we say two angle are 30. And in the simple way also you can do, children. Like if it is 90 degree and this will be double and this is 1x. So 180 is the total sum. Now this one is 90. So what is these are left? Total will be 90. Out of this will be the double one. So one is 60 and one is 30. You can understand like that also. Or you can go through the solution which is given here. So here I am sending you the solution of question number 2 for 6. But you need to solve all the questions from question number 1 to 6 along with all these notes which is given to you. So go through this worksheet, practice a lot. Thank you so much. Have a good day.